This time we will learn about Revision Cloud in ZWCAD. Revision Cloud created to show the changed area. You can activate the tool with RevCloud command. There are many ways to create Revision Cloud. Let's CAD in. Activate Revision Cloud using RevCloud command. The options will present in the command line bar. We will try this options one by one. First, arc length. Activate the RevCloud command, type A to change the Revision Cloud arc length. Type the number you wish, press double space to enter the number. Click to start create the Revision Cloud and click on the other side to finish Revision Cloud. Second, object. Before you activate the RevCloud command, create a rectangle. Activate the RevCloud command, type O to select the object as Revision Cloud. You can change the Revision Cloud direction using direction options. Third, rectangular. Activate the RevCloud command, type R to create rectangular shape of the Revision Cloud. Fourth, polygonal. Activate the RevCloud command, type P to create polygonal shape of the Revision Cloud. Fifth, ellipse. Activate the RevCloud command, type E to create ellipse shape of the Revision Cloud. Sixth, circle. Activate the RevCloud command, type C to create circle shape of the Revision Cloud. Seventh, freehand. Activate the RevCloud command, type F to create freehand shape of the Revision Cloud. Eighth, style. Activate the RevCloud command, type S to change the Revision Cloud style. Ninth, modify. Activate the RevCloud command, type M to modify the created Revision Cloud. For your note, you can combine the A, S and M command with the Revision Cloud drawing command.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.